Welcome back to my channel. We're going to be doing some compound inequalities. This is going to be your subtitle. Copy that into your book and let's get started. Okay, so you may have come across the word compound before. Maybe in chemistry, compound is just where you combine two or more elements to get elements or compound or chemicals together. It's the same thing for inequality, same idea. So here's an example of a compound inequality, and you can see the first inequality is 3 is less than x, or x is greater than 3, and then the second inequality is x is less than or equal to 9, or 9 is greater than or equal to x. So we're actually looking at two separate inequalities, and we're going to look at how we can solve these. Now we've already looked at these on number lines, so I'm not going to go over that with you. You can sketch this on a number line. We're going to look at slightly harder ones where you might have some rearranging involved. So again, in this question, it says show the solutions on the number line, solve and show the solutions. Okay, so first thing I want to do is write both inequalities separately. So negative 4 is less than or equal to 2x plus 2, and 2x plus 2 is less than or equal to 6. Okay, so now I'm going to just solve them separately. So take away 2 from both sides. And on this, and then I'm going to divide by 2. So negative 3 is less than or equal to x. The second inequality from our original question, take away 2 from both sides. Then divide by 2. So x is less than or equal to 2. Now the final answer actually, first of all, we're going to put it on a number line and we're going to combine them both together. So I know that I'm interested in 2 and negative 3. So I'm going to do negative 3 and 2, and then I'm going to decide, do I need to shade it in? Well, the x is greater than or equal to, so yes, I do shade this one in. And in this case, the 2 is greater than or equal to, so I shade that in 2. Let's see what I did there, shade it in 2, pun intended. Then I am going to decide where does the line go. So the lines are well, it says x is less than or equal to 2, so the line's going to go that way. And it also says x is greater than or equal to negative 3, so it's going to go that way. Now we don't need the arrows in this case, it's just a line that's connected up. And that's your answer on the number line. Now if we want to combine these together into a compound inequality, you put the x in the middle, you put your smallest number on the left, the biggest number on the right, and then you decide how the sign's going to go. Now this is quite convenient because they happen to match what we already have. So it's going to be x is greater than or equal to negative 3, and x is less than or equal to 2. So this is your final answer. Okay, next question. Try this. Pause the video and then I'll show you the answer and we can compare.